This video shows how to create a project plan template. You may have a project that represents a typical project, both with respect to its schedule, its labor plan, and its financial plan. And I'm going to use product A123 as my typical project. So if we look at the demand or the labor plan, you can see that it has a mechanical engineer, integration QC from product operations and QA, and materials management. So these are skill requirements. You can also see that this demand profile is laid out over the lifespan of the project, starting in February and going for some number of months. And in fact, it's going for about 18 months or so, or 26 months. In addition to the labor plan, this project also has a financial plan. So if we look at the financial plan for the project, we will see that it has revenue, labor, consulting, equipment, expense, materials, so forth, again, during the lifetime of the project. Now, to illustrate a point about what is captured when you capture a template, I'm going to point something out here. Notice I've gotten data in this case for, well, in fact, 36 months. So I'm seeing the monthly profile of planning. But when I capture a template, what is captured is the get data period plus any values before and after the get data period. So to illustrate that, I'm going to get data again. And I'm going to only get 3 months, starting in June. And now I'm going to go to Database, Create Template, and the project that my selection is on is already in the project dropdown. I could change that if I wanted to, but I don't. And we're going to call this the normal project template. Notice that skills roll-up and include financials checkboxes are checked by default. Normally, you do not want to have people by name in your labor plan in a template. And normally, if there are any financials, you would want to include them in the template. So I'm just going to click Add. And now it tells me the template is saved. Now I'm going to get data again. And this time, I'm going to get data for a longer time span. I'll go back to the beginning of the year, and I will make this 36 months. And now we are going to see that if I get template, the menu will provide our normal project that we have captured as a template. Now, if I select normal as the template to get, and I choose a new project name, let's call this ABCD. Notice that I have choices here. They are set by default. I'm going to capture all the project data, attributes of the project, the resource plan, milestones, if any, that have been saved in the status module, and the financials. So if I go ahead and choose this, I will have a new project. And if I look at the financial plan for this project, I will see that I have all of the financial data that I saved in the original template, even though when I created the template, I only had 3 months in my get data period range. That concludes the creating project templates.